Natural Language Processing, or simply NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence concerned with the interactions between computers and human language. It enables computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data so that they become capable of reading and understanding the contents of written documents, videos, or audio files. The goal of NLP is to decipher and grasp the meaning human languages are meant to convey in a valuable manner. Generally, we differentiate between two subtopics of NLP: natural language understanding and natural language generation. Let's consider each of them separately. Okay, natural language understanding, or NLU, deals with the reading comprehension of machines and their ability to process documents, understand their meaning, and integrate with what the reader already knows. One classic application of NLU is the so-called sentiment analysis. That's the interpretation and classification of emotions in text. Here, a machine tries to identify and categorize terms and opinions expressed in a written or spoken text. The objective is to determine the author's attitude towards the subject. The output is a sentiment score, like positive, neutral, or negative. In reality, sentiment analysis is widely used in marketing, customer relationship management, or customer service. One of its main applications is to determine what customers think and how they feel about different brands, products, services, or the company itself. Moreover, brands can apply this technique to the comments and feedback left on all kinds of channels, such as emails, social media posts, phone calls, reviews on e-commerce platforms, and so on. Unlike the responses received from questionnaires or surveys, here the feedback is left in an unprompted fashion, and that's what makes these insights particularly valuable. Okay. Sentiment analysis can also deliver valuable information about customers' preferences and choices, as well as about what drives their decisions. Given that the sentiment score is numerical by nature, it is possible to use it in subsequent analyses, for example, to establish a quantitative relationship between customer satisfaction and revenue. Excellent! Natural language generation, or NLG, on the other hand, deals with the creation of meaningful sentences in the form of natural language. Basically, it is about transforming structured data into natural language. An NLG system is required to make decisions about how to turn a concept into words and sentences. Generally, it is less complex than NLU, since the concepts that the system must articulate are usually known. All the NLG systems need to do is choose the right expression. Classic examples include the production of weather forecasts from weather data or, more generally, the creation of stories from a limited volume of data or keywords. In fact, the latter is known as automated journalism or algorithmic journalism. Okay. Companies also employ NLG to generate product descriptions for e-commerce sites or to interact with customers or prospects via chatbots. Essentially, chatbots are used to conduct an online conversation via text or text-to-speech. They replace live human agents in the provision of direct contact. With chatbots, it is possible to simulate conversations with human users in their natural language. Advanced chatbots understand natural language, not just software commands. For that, they require NLP and deep learning to identify communication patterns. One famous example of a machine that dominates both NLU and NLG is IBM's Watson, a computer system capable of both understanding and answering questions posed in natural language. Watson notoriously participated in the quiz show Jeopardy! In 2011, it beat two human champions and won the first-place prize of $1 million. Outstanding! In conclusion, we can say that natural language processing taps into the treasure trove of unstructured data that are held by companies. These may be emails, chats, blogs, images, and so on. As the data produced by the interaction of humans is mostly unstructured, huge volumes are being generated every day. Thanks to NLP, it is now possible to extract valuable insights contained in these data. Such information can help companies gain a better understanding of their customers, suppliers, employees, or else become more efficient. Well done, everyone. Thanks for watching.